What is going on, guys? Today we have an exciting box of Hot Wheels to open up. It's the 2019 Hot Wheels D-Case. I'll be sending one lucky subscriber a few new cars from the case, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Alright, now it's time to dive into the D-Case and find out which brand new Hot Wheels we have inside. The first car in the D-Case is the blue Mopar Dodge Charger stock car. Our second vehicle is the new for 2019 Speed Blur Muscle Bound. Then our third Hot Wheels is the regular edition of the Super Treasure Hunt Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. Up next we have a set of the HW Speed Graphics Borla 2016 Camaro SS. And over on the left is the HW Race Day Yellow 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. Moving on to the next row, we have the 87 Dodge D100. A nice little pair of the red 88 Honda CRX. Two of the new for 2019 Aaron Wheels wheelie chair, and a new white color of the HW Race Day 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. Starting on the next row, we have a blue 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Up next in the case are two of the X-Racers Rising Heat. Based on the video game Rocket League, we have two of the HW Game Over new for 2019 Octane, and a new color of the Exper Motors Bubble Wand car Bubble-Matic. On to the next row, HW Rescue has a new red color of the police car Porsche Panamera. Then there are two of the rusty red Volkswagen Custom Volkswagen Beetle, followed up by an HW Screen Time Star Trek Edition USS Vengeance. And to finish off this row, we have two of the blue and red Super Chromes Electrac. Our next row begins with a double of one of my favorites, the 2018 Copo Camaro SS. Not only do we have one purple Surf and Turf, but we have two purple Surf and Turf from Rod Squad. Then two of the exciting Tanner Fox 2017 Nissan GTR R35 Guaxzilla. Onto the bottom row, we have the black Rod Squad 69 Dodge Charger 500, a new color of the Baja Blazers off-roading Dune Daddy, an HW Flame 71 Mustang funny car, and check this out, the regular treasure hunt of this case, the HW Game Over Twin Mill, followed up by another HW Race Day Yellow 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3, and another one of the Baja Blazers 87 Dodge D100. The second half begins with two of the yellow Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and another yellow car, the HW Flame 70 Chevelle SS Wagon, then the latest color of the Dino Riders Motosaurus, and over on the left are two of the Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Onto our next row, we have the spicy red Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. Next in line is the new HW Moto vehicle called Moto Wing. As part of HW Race Day, there is a green Indy 500 oval. HW Hot Trucks is packing two of the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, and there is also a new blue and yellow color of the HW Ride-On's Kick Cart. Once again, we have another HW Flame 71 Mustang funny car, two of the orange and yellow Exper Motors the Hollinator, then two of the white Musclemania 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Here comes a pretty cool Dino Riders vehicle, the T-Rex Stroyer. Our next row starts off with the blue Ducati 1199 Panigale, followed up by two of the HW Speed Graphics Golf 68 Chevy Nova, then a set of the yellow and black Nissan Fairlady Z, and on the end here we have the new for 2019 67 Jeepster Commando. There are 12 cars to go, and our next row starts off with another Ducati 1199 Panigale. We have a pair of Batman vehicles, the Justice League Batmobile. From the animated movie Despicable Me, this next one is the Grumobile. And the last two on this row are the blue X-Racers Crescendo. Down to our final six cars, we have another black 69 Dodge Charger 500. One of my personal favorites, the latest color of the HW Roadster's Porsche 918 Spyder. From HW Rescue, we have a new Police Department 2010 Camaro SS. And here come two wild pink convertibles, the Speed Blur Track Manga. And the final car for the D-Case is one more 67 Jeepster Commando. So guys, there we have the unboxing of the 2019 Hot Wheels D-Case. There are a lot of great cars in that case. And if you would like a chance to win these three cars here, all you have to do is be subscribed, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.